Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Is your Windows 11 brightness slider missing, grayed out, or unresponsive? Don't worry, this quick guide will help you fix it in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Start icon and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Monitors section. Right-click on Generic PNP Monitor and choose Disable Device. Confirm if prompted. Wait a few seconds, then right-click it again and select Enable Device. Now, check if your brightness slider is working. If the issue persists in Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Confirm the uninstallation. Your screen might flicker or go blank. This is normal. Next, click on the Action menu and select Scan for hardware changes. After the driver reinstalls, restart your PC and check the brightness settings. If the problem remains, right-click the Start icon and select Terminal Admin or Windows PowerShell Admin. In the terminal, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. It may take some time. Once done, restart your PC. This process repairs any corrupted system files that might be causing the issue. That's it. Your brightness controls should now be functioning properly. If this helped, subscribe for more quick tech fixes.